In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the check register in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're trying to have a closer look at your company's finances or just want to double-check transactions for accuracy, this tutorial will guide you through every step of the way. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the official QuickBooks Online website. Make sure you're logged in with the correct credentials to access your account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard. This is your command center where you have access to various options that help you manage your accounting needs. From here, direct your attention to the navigation bar usually located on the left side of the screen. Your target here is the More option. Click on it to reveal additional features and tools available for your use. Now that you've accessed the expanded menu, look for the Accounting section. This is where you can manage all aspects of your business's financial accounts. Clicking on Accounting will open a new set of options related to managing your company's accounts. Next, direct your focus to the Chart of Accounts, which is essentially the backbone of your bookkeeping. It's a comprehensive listing of every financial account in your company. Once you click on Chart of Accounts, you'll see a list all of these accounts appear on your screen. Now it's time to zero in on the specific account you wish to review. Browse through your list and select the relevant account. Make sure it's the right one, as you want to ensure you're reviewing the correct financial data. Once you've selected the appropriate account, your next step is to find the View Register option and click on it. This will display a detailed ledger of all transactions associated with the account you've chosen to review. Now that you can see the transaction register on your screen, it's time to ensure everything is as accurate as possible. Here, you can go through each recorded transaction, checking both the dates and the amounts recorded. This is an opportune moment to catch any discrepancies or errors. If you happen to notice any inaccuracies or if updates are needed, the register allows you to make edits directly. Simply click on the transaction you wish to modify and make the necessary changes. This flexibility ensures that your financial records are always precise and up to date. Once you're satisfied that the transactions are correctly entered and all amounts are accurate, you can rest easy knowing your check register is in perfect order. That's it, a straightforward process to manage and review your financial data within QuickBooks Online. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel confident in navigating your check register with ease using QuickBooks Online. Stay informed and be sure your financial tracking is always accurate by regularly reviewing your accounts.